And this is
Kashmere.
And on this episode of Farm Fresh Bites, we are making broccoli stir fry. Stay tuned to the end of the video to catch a code word to use for a health buck to use at one of our Saturday farm fairs. First, chop your peppers and onions. Then chop your broccoli into small pieces. Next, mince garlic and ginger. After, prepare your sauce. Sauce consists of soy sauce, honey, sesame seed oil. This week's code word is cocoa beans. Ginger and garlic. Then preheat the pan on medium-high heat. Next, add your pepper, garlic, and onions. Add your broccoli to the pan and stir till brown. Lastly, pour your sauce on top and stir. While those are cooking, add your noodles or rice to boiling water. Now you are done. Enjoy.